I was waking up this morning and I had this insane idea and we're trying it. So I have put some of the safflower oil into my pan, and you're gonna wanna get your pan nice and hot. I had leftover Chinese food. I have rice right here, and I kind of thought about how would it be to make like a rice tortilla. So again, oil has to be really hot. Be a little generous with your oil, don't be afraid. And now we're going to put it in. And make sure your rice is broken up, no clumps. Now you got to get a spoon or anything flat and crunch it down into your pan. And this pan's perfect because it's just a perfect size for a tortilla. Now you got to let it cook till you start to see brown coming. See how it's nice and loose in the pan? It's not quite ready to flip yet, but it's getting there. It's starting to come together. All right, these are what we're gonna put in our tortilla. I've got some crab that I've flavored with a lot of Mexican seasonings, cilantro, pepper, lime juice, and then we've got some green onion, some tomato, and I like spice, so I just picked this serrano chili out of the garden. So we're gonna go with a little bit of that as well. All right, let's come back over here. I think we're gonna be ready to flip. Okay, check that out. See how it stays together? And it's starting to get brown. So I do want it to be a little bit more brown than that, but we're gonna cook the other side for a little bit. All right, it's about done, and it's coming out of the pan. See how it looks? It's crispy, the rice is a little puffy right there. You notice? I shut off my gas, and we're just gonna flip it right out into your pan. There you go. See how that is? All right, so I have some crab, like I said earlier. We're gonna go ahead and put that down the middle of our tortilla. It's kind of like, you know, when you go to the Japanese rice restaurant and they have that crispy rice tuna, then they add avocado. Avocado would be amazing on this, by the way. All right, so we're gonna put my peppers, because again, I like it spicy. Some onions. And then my tomatoes. And then you just have your little, now from here, you can add your lettuce, whatever else you want. But here it is. I just want you to kind of see how it just breaks off. You could even make chips out of this. Oh my God. This is so good. Try it at home. cookingatthecastle.com. Oh my God, hit subscribe. Who knows what I'll come up with next. See you next time. This is the cookbook, Cooking at the Castle, Seasonal Dinners, Crab Recipe, page 72. I invented Chinese takeout rice tortillas.